Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this super pretty red burgundy hair color. Let's get started. First, I'm starting off with Camille Rose's Curl Love, and I'll be applying it all over my hair. I like to apply this under the hair paint wax because I noticed that they can be a little drying. Next, I'll be using a red hair paint, and I'll be applying it all over my hair as my first layer. I like to work in layers to avoid putting too much product on my hair. This also helps achieve a really pretty ombre effect. And this is how the first layer looks like. After I was done with the first layer, I'm defusing my hair until it's about 50% dry. For my second and last layer, I'm mainly focusing the color on 3/4 of my hair, mainly avoiding my roots. One thing that I did notice about this color is that it does transfer, so try to avoid wearing any light clothing when applying red hair paint wax. This color lasted me about 4 to 5 days before I felt like I needed to wash my hair, but the color can last up to 7 days. If you would like to purchase any hair paint wax, the link would be in my description, and you can use my code ASHLEY5 for some money off of your entire order. Next, I added a little bit of blue to create a purple color for the ends of my hair. Once you're satisfied with the color, diffuse until it's 100% dry. Lastly, I'm using a hair pick to add some volume. And this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join the family, leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching.